Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone speaker sound if it's too low. Now head into the settings app on your iPhone. And from here, the first place that we're going to check is we're going to scroll down to sounds and haptics and tap on that. Now, one big culprit is if your iPhone isn't ringing or it's not loud enough, you might have silent mode turned on. So if this is turned on, it essentially will mute or minimize any kind of ringtones, alerts, and system sounds. So we want to turn this off. But that's not the only thing we're going to do within the sounds and haptics. You'll be able to see midway down is ringtones and alerts. Let's turn this all the way up. And you'll be able to see the ringtone sound gets really loud. However, keep in mind there are two volume sliders on your iPhone. One is for ringtones and alerts, and the other one is for listening to music or watching videos and stuff like that. Now, to change that volume slider, we're going to swipe down from the top right, and there you can see this volume slider is all the way down. So I'm going to turn this one all the way up as well. After you've done that, the next thing we're going to check is let's scroll down because potentially you have a built-in speaker volume limit. So if I tap on that, you could be limiting the max volume of your built-in speakers. So just toggle this off and it won't limit it. However, you'll be able to see if I go back, there are other things as well, like reduce loud sounds. Let's turn this off so that it's not reducing any of those loud sounds. And if you have headphones in, you can tap on headphone safety and it says reduce loud audio. Again, you can turn this off so that your iPhone doesn't prematurely limit the audio on your headphones. Now, after we've done those things, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. If you're not hearing anything or if it's muffled, let's next just tap on Bluetooth. Because potentially if you're connected to some device on Bluetooth, maybe an external speaker or headphones, that could cause issue. So let's toggle Bluetooth off for a little bit just to make sure that is not the culprit. But there are other culprits as well. Let's go back out of here and then scroll down until we get to accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and then we're going to scroll down until we get to touch and tap on that. Now, at the very bottom, you'll be able to see it says call audio routing. Sometimes when you have a call, the audio is automatically routed to headphones or to a car or anywhere else that you don't want it to be routed to. So let's tap on that. And if this is set to Bluetooth headset or automatic, you might want to switch this to speaker or to automatic depending on your preference. But if it is set to Bluetooth headset, make sure you switch it either to automatic or speaker. Now, if you're still having trouble with your iPhone and having low sound, let's do a hard reset on that iPhone. It's easy to do that. All we're going to do is press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until your phone shows the Apple logo. I'll show you how it works. Volume up, volume down, and then I'll press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. I'm going to hold it until the entire iPhone screen goes black and then the Apple logo appears. At that point, I can release my finger. You'll be able to see just like that. I'm going to release my finger and that should be good to go in terms of increasing the volume sound. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.